So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to draw Naruto. Now we'll start our drawing with the help of a rough sketch by sketching some guidelines starting from the top and extending it to the bottom. And one more line from the center of the page. Now we'll mark 4 markings for a circle and then we'll join these markings to create a circle. Now we'll make a line at the upper side of the circle. Now we'll make some guidelines for the adjustment. Now we'll make the minna at the top of the face. Now we'll shape the face. Now we'll draw the eyes. This is the nose and then the mouth. Now we'll draw the hair. For the hair we will draw a circle as a guide for the hair. And then we'll draw the hairs. The side here. Now we'll draw the lower part. Strips. Now we'll erase the guidelines present in the drawing. And then we'll erase the whole sketch with red line. Now we'll make the final level sketching or second level detailing in our drawing. I am starting from the eyes. Now we'll draw the minna. Now we will draw the hairs.
It's the day you've come along
Now
to
we'll
this
continue the minna.
beautiful world, and I'm thinking of you. Yes, I'm here.
때까지 난 기다렸지. 참 힘들었어. 아스팔트같이 굳어져 버린 내 몸, 내 맘. 난 오징어, 난 오징어, 오징어 사나이. 한 계단 내려오면 숨겨진 바다가 있어. 너그러움이 넘실대며 내 어깨, 내 팔을 간지려 주겠지. 난 오징어, 난 오징어, 오징어 사나이. 그 바다에 몸을 맡겨 멋진 춤이 될 거야. 그동안 너무 힘들었잖아. 줄을 타고 가는 사람들, 그 모든 수단이 목적이 되고 있어. 금방 깨어나길 바래. 어색한 햇볕이 주저주저 널 비추면 제발 그 딱딱한 가식을 벗고 둥둥둥 느긋하게 떠가길 바랄게. 던져놓고 그 걱정, 그 생각, 그 품위 좀 더 유연하게, 좀 더 솔직하게 어깨가 흘러내려 바닥에 닿아도 괜찮아, 정말 괜찮아. 난 오징어, 난 오징어, 오징어 사나이. 난 오징어, 난 오징어, 오징어 사나이.
Now the lower part. my Luxar black pen. And with my son, this is a primitive of Naruto. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you really enjoyed, leave a like and also subscribe. Enjoy more lessons like this. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace out.